Adda's mix. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart.
Hello friends, welcome to all of you. Today we create a front page and index page of a text. So let's start. Next we add 3D effect over it. And shadow effect over it. Now add a picture and insert. Now you can see the changes. Now we add a logo that I already downloaded. And adjust its size. Next we add its size and color. And its font style. In this way you can complete your text. I already complete. That is the text of front page. Now I add a downloaded border with watermarks over it. In my previous video you can see how I create it. Now I adjust its over text. So finally the front page is ready. You can create lots of front page, and you can see it is the downloaded border and it is the watermarks of a tree. In this way you can create lots of front page and index page. To create a index page, first we have to download index type image. I already download a image. This is the image. Next I open Pixel Lab app and clear the main page. Now I resize it from image size and set a ratio. Next I import a picture from gallery. Here it is, and adjust its position. Now I add text over it. And type index. Next I add color. Now I save it from save to gallery and quit. Here it is that I modify. In this way you can create lot of index type page.